What if your e-commerce business could, practically run itself? Well, that's the promise of UniCom.
So you're selling on a bunch of different platforms, right?
Yeah, you know how chaotic that gets.
You're trying to juggle all your inventory, orders, and actual profits. It's a lot. But that complexity doesn't have to be your reality. It is so time to end the chaos.
And this is how. UniCom. It brings all your sales channels into one simple dashboard.
You finally get that bird's eye view of your entire business, sales, profits, all in real time. And this means no more manual data entry. Sync your Amazon, eBay, and TikTok shops in minutes. It's pretty simple. First, unify your data. Then, automate your workflows. And then, you just grow. Its AI tells you what to sell, while smart automations sync inventory and even handle reorders.
So, are you ready to stop juggling and actually start scaling your business the smart way? Your journey to a streamlined operation begins now. You can get started for free, no card required.